A very good afternoon to all of you. Here in this video, I am going to discuss chapter number 5 of exercise 5B from class 7th. So, these are the certain questions of the exercise. The question number 1 includes express each of the following numbers in a standard form. And these are the 5 parts which are given to you and you have to find out their standard form numbers. So, 538. In a standard form, we have to write the number and put the decimal and the rest digits of the number and then make it into the 10 to the power something. So this can be written as 5.38 into 10 to the power 2. These are the solutions of this question. So 5.38 into 10 to the power 2. Why? Because we have to move the decimal up to 2 places on the left hand side. Next is 648,000. This can be written as 6.428 into 10 to the power. How many digits are there now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 digits are there, therefore 10 to the power 6. Now decimal in the third part is shifted to the 10 places. Therefore 8.2934 into 10 to the power 10. Next is 9.4 into 10 to the power 11. And similarly, this one is 2.3 into 10 to the power 7. Question number 2 states that express each of the following in the standard form. Certain diameters, distances are given and you have to convert it into the standard form. Diameter of earth is given, distance between earth and moon is given, population of India in March 2001 is given, number of stars in a galaxy is given, and the percentage of universe, present age of universe in years is given. So these are the certain terms in which you have to simply convert it into the decimal, or you can write it in the standard form. So how can we do this? Diameter of the earth is 1.2756 into 10 to the power 7, because previously it is given 12756,000 meters. So after converting into the standard form, you will have 1.2756 into 10 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 power. Yes, because the decimal is moved 7 places to the left. In the next, the decimal places to the 8 places to the left, therefore 3.84 into 10 to the power 8 meter. In the next one, decimal is moved to the 9 places to the left, therefore 1.027 into 10 to the power 9. In the fourth one, number of stars in a galaxy, decimal is places to up to the 11 places to the left, therefore 1.0 into 10 to the power 11. And the present age of universe is 1.2 into 10 to the power 10 years. Next is 4 questions are there and you have to write it into the expanded form. So how can we write it in the expanded form? I already explained in the previous video, which may include the several examples. So 684502. Firstly, do the values 684502. So this is at the ones place. So multiply it by 10 to the power 0. Multiply it by 10 to the power 1 into 10 to the power 2, 10 to the power 3, 10 to the power 4 and 10 to the power 5. So when you write it in the expanded form, you may write it like 6 into 10 to the power 5 plus 8 into 10 to the power 4 plus 4 into 10 to the power 3 plus 5 into 10 to the power 2 plus 2 into 10 to the power 0, 0 into 10 to the power 1 plus 2 into 10 to the power 0. Similarly, the next part, 4 into 10 to the power 6 plus 0 into 10 to the power 5 plus 0 into 10 to the power 4 plus 7 into 10 to the power 3 plus 1 into 10 to the power 2 plus 8 into 10 to the power 1 plus 5 into 10 to the power 0. These are the certain parts for this. Please note that we already studied that something with power 0 gives the answer 1. Next is expanded form is given and you have to write it into the numeral form. So 6 into 10 to the power 4 means 6000 plus 3 into 10 to the power 3 means 3000 plus 0 into 10 to the power something, it always 0, plus 7 into 10 70 plus 8 into 10 to the power 0, 10 to the power 0 means 1, that means 8 into 1. When you write it combinedly, you will have 63078. Similarly, 9 into 10 to the power 6 plus 7 into 10 to the power 5 is 70,000, 7 lakh, then 0, then 3,000, then 400, then 60, and then 2. So when you write it by adding, you will have this as the answer. These are the parts of the numeral form. Thank you so much, class.